Join me as I take on the challenge of creating 5 delicate flower embroidery designs using an industrial zigzag machine. Let's see if I can pull it off. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 stunning flower embroidery designs that you can create using an industrial zigzag machine. Many crafters struggle with incorporating intricate designs into their projects, often feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of embroidery techniques. I know I have, and it's frustrating when you see these beautiful designs online, but you don't have the skills or confidence to recreate them. A lot of embroidery tutorials can be intimidating, especially when they're designed for advanced sewists. But I'm here to tell you that with the right tools and a little practice, anyone can create beautiful embroidery designs. The industrial zigzag machine is a game changer when it comes to speed and precision, but it can also be intimidating if you're new to embroidery. That's why I'm excited to share these 5 delicate flower designs with you, which are perfect for beginners and experienced sewists alike. We'll be using a variety of stitches and techniques to create these designs, and I'll be sharing my top tips and tricks to help you get the best results. Whether you're new to embroidery or just looking to expand your skills, this video is designed to inspire and educate you. By the end of it, you'll have the confidence to try out new designs and take your projects to the next level. We'll break down each of the 5 flower designs, demonstrating the techniques and settings needed to achieve beautiful results with your zigzag machine. From the type of fabric to use, to the perfect stitch length and width, I'll be sharing all my secrets to help you create stunning embroidery designs. We'll be covering a range of different flowers, from simple daisies to more intricate peonies, so you're sure to find a design that suits your style. Each of these designs is unique and can be used in a variety of different projects, from home decor to fashion accessories. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to a wedding gift or create a one-of-a-kind fashion statement, these embroidery designs are sure to impress. And the best part is, once you've mastered these techniques, you can experiment with different colors, fabrics, and stitches to create truly unique designs that reflect your personal style. I'll be showing you how to adjust the settings on your industrial zigzag machine to get the perfect stitch, as well as sharing my top tips for working with different fabrics and threads. We'll also be covering how to transfer your designs onto fabric, and how to edit your designs to fit your project. By the end of this video, you'll have all the skills and confidence you need to start creating your own beautiful embroidery designs. The highlight of this video will be a live demonstration of one of the most intricate designs, showcasing the machine in action and the transformation of fabric. This is where the magic happens, and you'll get to see the industrial zigzag machine in action, creating beautiful stitches and intricate designs with ease. I'll be walking you through every step of the process, from setting up the machine to completing the design. You'll get to see how I troubleshoot any issues that arise, and how I adjust the settings